You know, as vegans, we always get these silly questions.
Where do you get your protein from?
What to say when people ask you stupid questions? I get my protein from plants, just like the biggest and strongest animals on the planet, like the elephant, the gorilla, the rhino.
If you don't eat meat or dairy, what do you eat?
There are hundreds of vegan options, meat and dairy-free alternatives that are healthier and taste better, plus all the wonderful natural foods that God has created.
Why are you doing this?
You don't have to explain yourself to anyone because it will just lead to heated discussions and arguments. People that are asking these questions are not interested in going vegan, but they just want to pick a fight. When you change something as fundamental as the food you're eating, other people can perceive that as a judgment on them. You can just say something like this: I'm experimenting on myself after hearing about plant-based foods. So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below and be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Do you have anything to say, Christina?
No.
No, nothing else to say. Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye. See you next time.